Downloaded a TTM file for Tabletop Simulator and unsure how to load it into the game? These are mod packages containing custom games and assets for the popular tabletop physics sandbox. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through installing these Tabletop Simulator mod files. Final step preview. We will conclude by utilizing a comprehensive file inspection solution to instantly resolve the TTM error, a tool also capable of managing numerous other file types. A TTM file is a mod package used by Tabletop Simulator, a popular physics-based sandbox game. Users create or download these files to add new board games, custom models, and scripted events into the game. The file acts as a container for assets like 3D models, textures, and scripts, enabling community-driven content. The TTM format is a compressed archive, functionally similar to a zip file, containing JSON for metadata and various asset files, e.g., OBJ for models, PNG for textures. This container design allows for easy distribution and installation of complex mods, encapsulating all necessary components into a single manageable file for the game to load. Berserk games define Tabletop Simulator as the main handler for TTM files. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows cannot reveal models, textures, or scripts, so modding or development software is required. To unlock this specific TTM file, right-click your file and select Open With. If Tabletop Simulator is available, use that first. If it's missing, choose another program. Testing is the only way to be sure. If the TTM file won't budge, stay calm. Dealing with a truly persistent TTM file? Let's execute these quick diagnostic tests on the most likely points of failure. First, loading in Tabletop Simulator. Place the TTM file in the Tabletop Simulator saves folder, typically located at Documents/My-Games, Tabletop Simulator, Saves on Windows. Launch Tabletop Simulator and use Games then Saves and Loads to find and load the mod. The game restores the complete table state from the TTM file. Next, subscribing via Steam Workshop. Most Tabletop Simulator mods are available through Steam Workshop, which automates installation. Browse the Tabletop Simulator Workshop on Steam. Find the desired mod and click Subscribe. Steam downloads the mod automatically, making it available in Tabletop Simulator's Workshop section without manual file handling. Finally, editing mod contents. Open TTM files in a text editor like Visual Studio Code or Notepad++ to view the JSON structure. Modify object properties, adjust scripts, or change asset references, then save the file. Reload in Tabletop Simulator to test changes useful for mod creators or customizing existing community content. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.